Several famous rappers, actors, and athletes have converted to Islam. Some famous converts to the Muslim faith were previously Christian, while others weren't very religious. Most famous converts to Islam changed their names when they adopted their new faith. Who is the most famous person to convert to Islam? Mike Tyson is certainly one of the famous converts to Islam. The former heavyweight champion converted to Islam in the mid-1990s while serving time in prison. Another boxing legend, Muhammad Ali, also converted to Islam in the mid-1960s. 1. Muhammad Ali. Legendary heavyweight boxing champion Muhammad Ali, born Cassius Clay in Louisville, Kentucky, converted to Islam in the 1960s and was a devout Muslim. In a December 2015 statement, he spoke out against extremism, saying, "True Muslims know that the ruthless violence of so-called Islamic jihadists goes against the very tenets of our religion."
I think that all the people should know the truth and come to recognize the truth, because Islam is peace.
Our political leaders should use their position to bring understanding about the religion of Islam and clarify that those misguided murderers have perverted people's views on what Islam really is. Muhammad Ali died in June 2016 at the age of 74. 2. Omar Sharif. Born Michael Dimitri Calhoub, the three-time Golden Globe-winning actor converted to Islam in 1955 to marry Egyptian actress Faten Hamama, whom he later divorced in 1974. The actor died in July 2015. 3. Mike Tyson. The former undisputed heavyweight champion of the world, Mike Tyson, has held all three major championship belts that boxing has to offer. You also probably know he was once disqualified for biting Evander Holyfield's ear. But did you know Tyson is a proud Muslim? Tyson converted to Islam in the 1990s. He has said he's performed various religious pilgrimages, including one to the holy city of Mecca. 4. Cat Stevens, Yusuf Islam. Yusuf Islam, the folk music artist formerly known as Cat Stevens, publicly converted to Islam in 1977. Over the next few years, he changed his name, auctioned off all his guitars for charity, and left his successful music career behind, saying it ran counter to his faith. Then, a few months after 9/11, he picked up a guitar again. "There was so much antagonism in the world," he told Rolling Stone in January 2015. "Many Muslims have come up to me, shook my hand, and said, 'Thank you, thank you.' I'm representing the way they want to be seen. So much of the middle ground gets forgotten in the extremities we witness around the world." 5. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar is a famous NBA basketball player known for his scoring skills. Gadsuzian records that Abdul-Jabbar was born in 1947 as Ferdinand Louis Alcindor Jr. He was brought up in the Catholic faith and was taught to strictly follow the doctrines without question. However, he felt discontented by the affiliation, and at age 24, sought an identity through his conversion to Islam. His main reasons for conversion were a deep desire for spiritual transformation and fulfillment. He felt that Islam offered people of all races, and especially blacks, the identity they so much needed in a society that was largely segregated. May Allah guide many more people to Islam.